Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking for Gravistar mouse software? You're in the right place. I'll show you a step-by-step process to download and install Gravistar mouse software in this video. So, let's get started. First, go to the video's description and click on the link tagged with Gravistar mouse software download. And here you go. We landed on the Gravistar software instant download page. Now, scroll down the page and find the Download Gravistar Mouse Software section. In this section, you will see two columns, one for online drivers and the other for download software. If you are using a mouse other than the Mercury X Pro, Mercury M1 Pro, or Mercury M2, please click either the Online or Download button in the first row, depending on your preference. Just make sure you're selecting the right version for your operating system to ensure everything works smoothly. Before we proceed with the download, a common concern is the authenticity of the files. To address this, simply hover your mouse over the download button. This will reveal the source of the file, typically displayed at the bottom of your browser window. Rest assured, these files are downloaded directly from Google Drive's links, ensuring their full legitimacy and security. Now, click on the label for the mouse whose software you want to download. Since I have Windows 11, I'll click on this button. It will start downloading the software. After the software is finished downloading, locate the file and follow the on-screen instructions to install it on your PC. After following all the instructions, congratulations! You have successfully installed the software on your PC. Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you next time.